nasty. We're hoping it clears off a little bit this afternoon. We're gonna go into town and do laundry. So the sign says laundromat. Bobby went to look and see where it's at. Y'all, the laundromat's right back here.
Watch that bush coming down.
Right there. Wow. Okay. I bet a few people come here. I'm hoping so anyway. Well, it's not a bad laundromat. Hi. $5 for that double load. Not bad at all. Oh, those two big ones there are out of order. Let's see these here. Ooh, the little ones here are $5 too? That's crazy. All right, we figured it's gonna cost us about $15 to do the laundry. All right, so that's what the tokens look like. And it takes two to do one load.
You get two for $5.
Yeah, and it's a double load.
So here you go.
So basically, this is 2 loads.
$10.
$10. No, $5.
2 loads. Oh, 2 loads in there.
Yeah. 2 loads in here.
That's it.
Okay, and we're going to do normal and start. 27 minutes. Basically, I'm doing 4 loads of laundry for $10. Which, I mean, that's more expensive than the States, but we're in Alaska. And to me, these double washers are the best deal because they've got the single ones over here that are also $5. So that's for a regular load, y'all. So yeah, we go with the better choice. And their 4 load washers are out of order. Oh well, that's the way it is, right? If you need to use a bigger dryer, they have those for 2 tokens. So the dryers that we're using are 1 token each, which is $2.50, which I'm thinking lasts about 18 minutes or so. Works for me. I'll take it. While I was doing laundry, Bobby was looking to see what was going on in the area, something we could go see. So at the Brewery 49, they have the replica of the bus that was in the movie Into the Wild. You know, that's the movie where the guy ate the wrong berries and died. We're walking to the bus stop to catch the green bus. Our first adventure yesterday, it rained way too hard. And it snowed last night. Not much, but enough to cover the ground. It's already like, I don't know, 10 o'clock or so, and it's already melted. There's Mama and her baby. There they are. How cool is that? How cool. Oh, there he is. That's pretty sweet.
Really?
That's a long train. It goes all the way to Fairbanks. Goes one of the twins. Looking for Mama. There's the other twin. There's Mama at the edge of the trees. There they go. That's awesome. Now, how many of you would have thought that there would have been moss growing on the ground in here? How pretty is this forest? Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go moose hunting again. Woohoo! There's evidence of a moose. Nature's dam builders, the beaver. Kim called this one the beaver condominium. Look how big that one is. Y'all, look at there. How cool is that? Look at that one baby just looking at us. Pretty awesome. Look at there, the beaver engineers at work. And that's a big tree. And a beaver can carry that big tree across the water? There must be a couple of them doing that.